And we're back today. We're going to tell you actually a couple things that might change about computers from what we were talking about in our last session. We're going to talk about some things that might not be in computers in the next 5 to 10 years and things that will radically change or advance in the next 5 to 10 years. One of which is the video card, which is what I'm standing here. As it is already, it's an optional piece of equipment because most motherboards have their onboard graphics, so you don't actually have to buy one already. So this, as motherboards evolve, might become completely obsolete, as opposed to optional for more of a more performance as it is currently. The next one is going to be the disk drive. Right now, they're being used for Blu-rays right now, but aside from that, the increased uses of digital technologies such as streaming from the internet downloads, and flash memory devices such as flash sticks, thumb drives, is becoming obsolete because you can have the same things on smaller pieces of equipment that are easier to transmit data from. And the next thing that might become obsolete is case fans. Right now, we all know them by their hum and buzz. They're a little loud. Recent technological advances, including water cooling systems, may make it so you don't need case fans. You just simply run a water cooling system through your computer. It cools it down, and the noise associated with the fans might go away. Next, we're going to do 3 items that, while we don't think they will disappear from the computer, they may change significantly. One of which is the hard drive, which we already said stores all your data on your computer. They're already beginning to change. There's a new hard drive out called solid-state hard drives, which instead of using a magnetic disk memory, use a sort of flash memory that is a lot faster and more efficient in the way it saves. So you'll we're already starting to see a lot of changes in hard drives. Another thing that might change, this is a heat sink. As we said in our last session, it cools down your computer. It pulls the heat directly off of the parts that run hot. As we go on, these will most likely be made of better materials, will be smaller, not nearly so bulky, and they might even change to something else completely. Lastly, we have our connection cables for our innards of our computer. We've already more or less made obsolete the serial cable, which is this here, and it's been upgraded to the SATA cable, which is this here. Primarily, it's smaller and runs data faster. Continuing this trend, we will most likely see different cables with even faster connections. They're already starting to come out with the SATA 3 cable, which is significantly faster than this one, which I believe is a SATA 2 cable. Thanks.